So, hi friend, how are you doing? I hope you are doing well. So, today I gonna talk with you how you can speak like not to be a fluent, but even you speak anywhere. So, in that case, you will have good confidence. So, you have to do little bit things, a little bit practice every day, so you can improve your English. So with the tips, so first of all, if I say friend, even I started learning spoken English, it have been more than 1 year ago. So in that case, I didn't have confidence for speaking, but you know one thing, if you start doing hard work for one thing, and you do that thing every day more than 1 2 hour, so you can learn anything in that world. So that's why now I speak little bit that English language, and now I have confidence for speaking. But I know friend, if you are beginners, so in that case you have now lot of problem for speaking. You have a problem for grammar, you have problem for thinking in English, you don't know how I should start learning spoken English. So don't worry about that, let I tell you some important steps. If you start doing it, so definitely you can improve your English very easy way. So first of all, if I suggest to you, so in that time, if you will go any YouTube channel, so might be those people skip, those people speak, you start thinking in English. So I know it's a little bit crazy sound, because if you do not have the grammar's idea, if you do not have power of grammar, so how you can think in English. So if I say first of all, you start doing one activity, it will help you for your spoken English improving. So how is it? So you can see now I at my home, and there are some vegetable trees behind my side. So what I start for speaking. So first of all, you say, you see there is a plants, also there is one mango plant. So you start explaining the things. So this is a good method, because you know one thing, if someone now have grammar knowledge, but even the situation happen to speak anywhere, so in that case people don't understand how I present that situation anywhere, because they do not have the vocabs words. So I suggest you, first of all, you start learning words, and if you learnt words, so definitely you can speak anywhere. So this is a good method. You start doing, you start explaining your things beside you what you have in your side. So this is a good method, I think.